Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jamila. Today's video I'm going to be showing you another simple breakfast. I'm going to be making buttered bread with cheese. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. The main ingredients we need for this recipe is bread, cheese, and butter. I also have some spices. I have some mixed spices, aromat, and parsley. First, I'm going to put some butter on the bread. And then we're going to put some cheese slices on top. I'm going to put 2 cheese slices because I love cheese, but you decide how much you want. And we're spicing it up. So I'm putting some mixed spices, some aromat, and parsley. After spicing it up, I'm going to put it on the oven tray and then put it in the oven. I'm going to put it at 200 degrees and it will be in the oven for around 5 minutes. Now that my oven is hot enough, I'm going to put the bread under the oven. As you can see, our buttered cheese bread is done. The next part is plating, but actually before you put it in the oven, you want to make sure that the oven is hot. Then it's going to take at least less than 5 minutes or 5 minutes. Here we go, the simple breakfast is done. This is buttered bread with cheese. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.